Oh my goodness, guys. Talk about volatility for Palantir stock today. We were up over $82 per share in the pre-market, and now we're down to $71 per share. So, guys, take a sip of your coffee. You're going to need it for this video. We're going to break down the news that we got, the charts, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Check out that link down below or go to starsurfs.com/Moomoo. Open up your account and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So again, check out that link down below or go to starsurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's get into it. So, man, it's crazy what's going on so far today on the charts for Palantir stock. It is insane. It's about noon on the East Coast right now. And like I said, we're at $71 a share, down 6%. After being at $82 in the pre-market. And at that point, we were up around 8%. So yeah, we were up 8%. Now we're down about 6%. So we are selling off about 14% from where we were in the pre-market. Man, this is unreal. We are dumping like no other, and we got some news that we have to break down here in a minute. But first, let me just show you guys these charts. We're looking pretty good, aren't we? This looks like a healthy pullback. Here on the 5-day, 5-minute, you guys can see we're still technically holding an uptrend. We're at a higher low right now based on this trend line. You guys see on the 30-minute chart as well, we're above the 180 SMA, holding a higher low after we hit a higher high this morning. Pretty nuts, right? So we blew out of the highs from the last couple of months, weeks, days. We hit an all-time high this morning, obviously, and now we're getting a nice sell-off, and we're holding trend. This is as much as the bulls could ask for, right? What more could they ask for? This looks pretty healthy, right? You know, maybe the blow-up this morning to over $80 wasn't necessarily so healthy or sustainable, considering we were just at 60 about 10 days ago. But now we're getting that correction. The chart looks pretty decent, right? Here on the 30-minute, on the 1-hour chart, we're above the 180 SMA, actually almost above the 50 SMA as well. So although I'm not buying shares here personally in my long term, if you wanted to, maybe take a risk on a short-term trade, maybe for a bounce back in the short term, hey, this could end up being a nice buy-the-dip opportunity if you're looking at this as a swing trade, which, by the way, guys, please do your own research. I am not telling you what to do. You got to do your own research. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm seeing here on the charts. Here on the 4-hour chart, obviously, we're still well above the 180 SMA, which is at $56. And we're also above the 50 SMA, which is at about 68. Excuse me, guys. $69 per share. So the charts obviously look really good. And let me show you now some news that we got this morning, which probably caused this move here initially for Palantir stock. So let me actually move my big old head a little bit more down here to the left, guys, and let's talk about what is going on. So you guys see right here the headline that says U.S. Special Operations Command expands contract with Palantir to deliver advanced AI and mission manager capabilities. They're actually expanding their partnership here. And let's see here, guys. This came out today. Looks like here the 1-year delivery is valued at $36.8 $1 million and establishes Palantir as the lead software integrator for OCOM's Mission Command System, MCS, while expanding the technology solutions supporting U.S. Special Operations Forces, SOF, globally. So essentially, guys, they announced an expansion of their contract with the U.S. Special Operations Command, also known as USSOCOM, to deliver technology solutions in support of enterprise capabilities. So the contract award leverages Palantir's multi-vendor development ecosystem and the Ontology software development kit to expedite software deployment at the edge. The expanded partnership also enables pilot projects across the broader command, inclusive of efforts dedicated to bringing Palantir's cutting-edge AI capabilities to USSOCOM. And USSOCOM continues to be at the forefront of adopting emergent technology, and they're looking forward to this new stage of the long-term partnership. That was actually Akash Jain, the president of Palantir USG, and the contract award marks the first deployment of Palantir's Mission Manager to SOF units. Mission Manager employs Palantir's secure Kubernetes-based infrastructure to streamline the government's onboarding of innovative and emergent technologies from commercial software vendors into a secure environment, guys. So very good news here that we got this morning. They're expanding their partnership, another $36.8 million contract. Very big news here that we got today, guys. And again, the stock, well, was moving. Now it's, back down. But overall, the trend is looking very good. We've established the momentum into the 80s, which means maybe we go back and test that point at some point here in the, short-term future. But, man, this stock, what a year. What a year. That's all I can say, man. Just when you thought it can't go up even more, it does exactly that. It goes up even more. And, man, I'm so glad I bought the stock at $21. Well, my average cost is $21 a share. So at one point, roughly this morning, guys, when it hit $83, I was up almost 300%. Unreal. Unfreaking believable. And like I said, I've said this time and time again. I'll say it again, guys. This stock reminds me of NVIDIA when it first took off, right? And it never pulled back, Obviously, we saw pullbacks in between, but the stock just kept on going. This reminds me of that. Palantir does. And I've been saying this for weeks, months. When the stock was at $40, $50, I was saying this, and it just kept on going. And that's why I didn't lock profits, because I saw the similarities. And, the stock, when you lock in profits, when you think it's time to lock in profits, even though it's a long-term investment, you get greedy. You're like, oh, maybe it's time to lock in profits now. That's exactly when the stock, not always, obviously, but, stocks like Palantir, they have these similarities to stocks like NVIDIA, others like Tesla when we saw that crazy rally. Stocks like Palantir, guys, just when you think it's got to cool off, it's time to lock in profits, well, it doesn't cool off, and sometimes it keeps going more than you think. That's just how the stock market works sometimes. And here we are, it's at $72 a share after hitting $82 today. Unbelievable. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm actually curious what you guys are doing. Are you buying more, selling here? Are you just holding on? Let me know down below in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube. Join the free email list that's linked down below. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every Monday. Check out the Patreon if you guys want to be a part of the Discord. Get my charts and ideas throughout the week. And most importantly, be a part of the real money portfolio I'm building. All of that's on Patreon. And guys, don't forget to snag up your free stocks. Open up your account with Moomoo, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks, fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to starsurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next one.